Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this curtain holder. It's a new design. Let's start the video. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here we make a slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. See, I'll be joining first and last stitch. Here I'll make a slip stitch. Okay, now we get a very small tiny bit circle in between. It is small but it is big enough to a needle to pass through. Okay, now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each double crochet stitch we will be making by passing a needle from inside that tiny circle. See, this is how we will be making double crochet stitches. We will pass a needle from inside that circle and make a double crochet stitch. So like this way we will be making 20 double crochet stitches. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for how to make a double crochet stitch, its link is already there in description. It is a good tutorial video with written notes. Slow demonstration is given, so you will like it. You can refer it. I'll just complete this 20 double crochet stitches and I'll show you. Just remember, each time pass your needle from inside that tiny circle and make a double crochet stitch. See, I'll just complete it and I'll show you. This is how it looks after completing. I have done my 20 double crochet stitches. Now I'll join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. So that completes a round. Okay. Now for next round we will make 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch. Just remember, 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch. When you start with the stitches, just put a marker, so like by end you understand this is the point where I started my stitches. Okay, 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch. I'll just complete this round and I'll show you. See, here I am done with my 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch. I've done with my complete round. As usual, I'll be joining first and the last stitch with a slip stitch. Okay, now following same pattern we need one more circle, exact same. Okay, because we are going to join both of them, so try to make exact same. Now how to join? We will insert a needle from first stitch of one circle to first stitch of another circle. Okay, grab a yarn and pull through from both stitches. See, we will grab the yarn and pull through from both stitches at once, and now we will make a single crochet stitch. There goes. See, we have joined 2 stitches into one. We have merged 2 stitches into one. So like this we will be going to follow for all stitches. Now it is second stitch. Now we will insert a needle from second stitch of one circle to second stitch of another circle. Grab yarn, pull through from both stitches and make a single crochet stitch. So this is how we join 2 stitches into one. Okay, I'll just join these 2 circles and I'll just show you. And just remember, don't join it completely. Leave 5-6 stitches by end, because we need to fill in fillers also. And we need I'll first join and show it to you. So this is how it looks after joining. I have left some stitches to fill in fillers. Okay, fill nice good fillers in it, and also like place, if you want to place, it's a completely optional thing. Eye, smiley, I've made eyes and smiley. So before closing, do all these things. Okay, now we are done with all our filling and placing eyes, making a smiley. Now as usual we will just make our stitches, and at end join it with the slip stitch, first and last stitch with the slip stitch. That's a common thing in all rounds. Now we will make a pattern of framework. Okay, so we will make a double crochet stitch. See, one double crochet stitch, then a chain crochet stitch, and again a double crochet stitch in next stitch. Okay, not in the same stitch, next stitch. After that we will make 7 chain crochet stitches. Remember, 7 chain crochet stitches, and we will skip 4 stitches, and in 5th stitch we will make a double crochet stitch. Means same thing, one double crochet stitch in one stitch. We will skip 4 stitches. In 5th stitch we are going to make a double crochet stitch. After that a chain crochet stitch, and again a double crochet stitch, then 7 chain crochet stitches. Like this we are going to follow. We are going to make same pattern all around the circle. That is actually a framework. We are going to make petals on this. I'll just complete this and show you. See, here I am done with complete framework. As usual, I'll be joining first and last stitch with the slip stitch to complete the round. Okay, now we will make first round of our petal. For that we need to join new yarn. To join new yarn, keep 2 loops on your needle. Okay, here our slip stitch is done, framework is done. Sorry for background noise, my kid is playing. See, now we will keep 2 loops on a needle. We will one loop is already there. We will have one more loop on a needle. Okay, now we will take the new yarn and pull it through from both loops and make 1 chain crochet stitch. Actually we are supposed to make 3 chain crochet stitch. Okay, after that, see, we made a framework where we made 2 double crochet stitches, 1 double crochet stitch, 1 chain crochet stitch, and 1 double crochet stitch. Now around 1 double crochet stitch we will make 12 double crochet stitches. We are making all 12 double crochet stitches around that 1 double crochet stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, I'm done with 12 double crochet stitches. It was around 1 double crochet stitch. Okay, now just turn your work round, turn your work, and from down side again start making 12 double crochets around the next stitch. Okay, first we made 12 double crochet stitches around 1 double crochet stitch. Now we will make again 12 double crochet stitches around next double crochet stitch, that pair we have made. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, I'm done with those 12 double crochet stitches also. Now, as usual, we will be joining first and last stitch with slip stitch. Now we will make a point for a petal. This is our first petal of the first row. Okay, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches and again join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. So we get a point for a petal. Okay, after that we will make 4 chain crochet stitches. See, this point is there, so a petal looks more good. Okay, now we will make 4 chain crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we will join this fourth stitch to that chain crochet stitch which we have taken. We made a framework that, in between 2 double crochet stitches we made a chain crochet stitch. We will join it over there with the slip stitch as usual. Okay, now that chain we made of 7 chain crochet stitches, so we are going to make 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, for all 7 stitches we will make 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch, and we will reach to next pair of those double crochet stitches, and we will start another petal. Same work we have to do all around. I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. Those who have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'll request you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots of videos, lots of tutorial videos, and as you can see, everything is written, notes and slow demonstrations. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. See, this is how it looks after completing. I have completed my first row of petals. See how beautiful it looks. Okay, now we will work on those 7 chain crochet stitches, that chain of 7 chain crochet stitches. First we will join another yarn. See here, to join new yarn, we will keep 2 loops on the needle and pull a new yarn from both the loops and make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, now for every chain of that 7 stitches, we are going to make 7 double crochet stitches around them. Okay, 7 double crochet stitches. See, we are going to make around that chain 7 double crochet stitches. We started with, see, we are making around that chain, we will make 7 double crochet stitches. Just remember, we are making those 7 double crochet stitches around that chain, not from the stitches of the chain, around that chain. I'll just complete those 7 double crochet stitches and I'll tell you further what we are going to do. See, we are done with our 7 double crochet stitches. After that we will make 4 triple crochet stitches or treble crochet stitches. Okay, we are going to make 4 triple crochet stitches. If you people want to refer tutorial video for triple crochet stitch or treble crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You can refer the tutorial video. See, now after 4 triple crochet stitches, or say treble crochet stitches, now we will again make a point like we made on the first row petals. We made point, we will make here also. We will make 4 chain crochet stitches. 1 2 3 3 chain crochet stitches, and then we will make a slip stitch with the first stitch. There our point is ready. Okay, now after that we will make 3 triple crochet stitches again, and after 3 triple crochet stitches we will make 7 double crochet stitches. So it is actually 7 double crochet stitches, then 7 triple crochet stitches, and again 7 double crochet stitches. And for point, like in 4th triple crochet stitch, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches, join first and last stitch. So we get that point also. Once we are done with the pattern of one chain, we will switch to another chain and start again with the same pattern. This whole thing we are going to do for that complete design. I'll just complete this and I'll show you how it looks. See, this is how it is going to look after completion. It is getting more and more prettier. Okay, now we are done with the flower part. Now we have to just make a belt, a very simple belt. Take as long as chain crochet stitches you want, and make 4 to 5 rows of single crochet stitch in each single stitch. One single crochet stitch in each single stitch. So make such 4 to 5 rows and stitch it at the back side of this flower. By end, like you can put velcro or button, whatever you have, or a hook, whatever you have or you just can keep long strings so you can tie a knot around your curtain, whatever you feel easier for you. See, this is how it's going to look. I'll just show you on a curtain also how the final piece looks like. You can decorate it as you want. I have decorated it this way. See, this is how it looks on the curtain, and just see how beautiful and pretty it is. It's a complete new design. So if you have liked the video, like, comment and share, and please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And if you have not subscribed, I'll request you, please subscribe and help me grow on YouTube. Thank you. Thanks for watching video till end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And if you like, please give me your comments also. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.